Is there a way to change the color?
Hello.
Di ko din alam yun.
Hello.
Kaya
What?
parang Android.
Android, yung HTC.
Haro.
Ano na?
Create ka na. Create ka na.
Saan tayo?
Babes.
Where?
I don't know.
Ito.
I've created a lobby. Let's go.
Yay! Salita ka ng ano?
Leave the world with open arms. Leave the world with open arms.
You guys want me to speak in Android?
Yes.
Okay.
Pusa naman.
Okay, so let's have an intro. Sheena, are you filming?
Yes.
Are you ready? My God, yung sensitivity.
Okay, motion sickness is what I'm feeling right now.
In the world. Oh, ang daming gamit dito.
Where are you guys?
Uy, naging color black si Dora.
What's no?
Naging black.
Oops.
Okay.
Uy, wag.
So hello everybody. We are back playing this game.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Why are the items on the floor?
Oh! Wag, ganyan.
What?
Oh! Ano ba yan, Mark? Oh my God.
Why is it my fault? Ay!
Uy! Ba't mo binato?
I wasn't throwing it, okay?
Di ko
Mark.
kasalanan yan.
It wasn't me.
Ito yung maligit. Ba't gano'n? Pinangga ni Mark. Ano ba yan?
No, it's not me. Why are you always blaming me?
Sino yung sacrifice?
Ba't nyo yun agad?
Already?
Nasa loob eh. Ayun yung kumuha ka ng, wala nga, hindi. One time lang pala siya. One time lang yan eh.
No, I don't think it's one time. We can still collect items, I think.
Dapat kinalahati natin.
Wait.
Can you stop?
Bye.
Like what I said, motion sickness.
No.
I put... Never. Sorry. I apologize. Sheena, ba't nakalubog ka? Si Angel ba yun? Si Sheena? Ba't nakalubog si Sheena?
Ganito yan.
Ay,
Shit. Ganito yan, oh.
bawal na yan, baliw.
Bawal na
Nice.
yata yan, eh. O, diba, sinabi ko ng one time lang, eh.
But why were we,
Kasi sobra na siya sa quota, kaya siya ganarn.
but the last time we played it, Einar was able to like add more, right?
Kasi
Baliw,
nga,
hindi.
binayaran natin yung deaths. May namatay, eh.
Dapat,
Wala nang ano.
Okay, I mean, let's go back to the tutorial if we don't have a choice.
Nagsasalita ba si Baka?
I don't think so. Can you hear us? Jump if you can hear us.
Yan. Yan.
Hello.
So,
Hello.
Tapos na tayo. Game over na.
First round pa lang yun. Wala pa nga yung monster.
I think this is the fastest first round ever.
Yes.
What is the
So dark.
Ayan.
Stamina.
Anong color ko, Mark?
Itim.
Wala, si Sheena naman yung... Ay, parehas kami?
Gray. What color am I?
Dilaw.
Ew.
Yellow.
Yellow ka.
wala yung visual.
Like keep upgrades. So that we can
Grenade, Mark.
Trader. Let's trade. So we do have it.
Ano, illumination?
Illumination words. I don't think it changes anything. Oh yes, the ring.
Illumination, na?
So should we buy the illumination?
Sige.
Okay. Let's see.
Testing yung map.
Why did crash?
Ay,
Hala,
ay nako. Patay na siya.
bakit?
You had it coming.
Oh my God.
Why did she...
She was curious.
Baliw.
Ayun. We're not even in a level where we're in the shop and she died in the shop.
It's 3.5 minutes.
Ayun, level 2.
Oh, Alves here, Alves here.
We will revive. Oy! Ano na?
Hey! O, diba sabi niya yun? Boy,
Nabuhay.
I am alive. I bring back from the dead.
Baka nandyan.
Let me take the lead. Wait, I can open the door.
Open na door.
There. See the roads? I mean, do you see the monster? What are the monsters here? Let me open the
Lagay mo yung ito radar.
Wait, nobody's here yet.
Grabe, akala ko talaga namatay na talaga nga din kanina.
Mark, buksan mo nga to.
Grabe yun.
Okay. Oh, here.
Pabukas, Angel.
Dito. Sige.
Nice.
Ay, wait.
There's a vase still on the top.
Let's be mindful, guys. Let's be cautious.
Let's be demure. Let's go.
What happened to mindful? It's only worth 100 now. Ayun,
Nice.
5,400.
Kulang pa.
Wait. There's no monster here.
Bakit gusto mo, Mark? Tahimik yung buhay. Gusto mo magulo. Hello. Wala, Mark. Nasa likod mo. Nasa likod mo, Mark.
Uy!
Takbo!
Ano yan?
Nasa likod mo, Mark.
Nasa. Ano ba yan?
Joke lang.
Ano yan?
Wala naman eh.
Wala talaga.
Baliw.
Stop scaring the crap out of me.
Dapat di.
Oh, wait, shit!
Ala, takbo. Diyan na. Takbo.
Wait, I'm going to die.
Takbo.
Uy, ano yun? Ano yun? Oh my God.
I don't have stuff.
Angel, bilis! Ay, kitchen. Revive ba? Revive muna natin. Uy! Revive na. Si Mark. Matay.
Ay, si Mark! Asan si ano? Ay,
Tara, revive natin si Mark.
si Mark. Oh.
Patay
Si
na
Mark
siya.
namatay. Ah! Pwede siyang i-revive. Ano, hayaan na lang natin siyang patay. Asan ba si Mark? Saan siya namatay?
Dito.
Ay, ayun ko. Okay lang yung Mark. Ay, ayun.
Ayan, nandun siya.
Wala, 4,000 yun.
And valuables, okay.
4,000 kailangan.
Mahal, sobra.
Kanina, binibiro ko si Mark na nasa likod niya, tapos naging totoo.
Pares kayong kulay.
Ha?
Pares kayong kulay. Ha?
Doon siya yung ano.
Ito kaya? Wala ba? Just later!
Ay! Ba't yun ganun?
Means you
Takbo,
fucked
takbo.
up.
No, no.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba?
Matay si Jane ata. Matay ba? Ay, hindi.
Ito, open arms. Ito, open arms. Ang ganda. Ay, shit. Oh,
Wala na dito. Bus na din.
No. Take it off. Take the book off.
ay.
It's no, over na. Okay, where's
Yay!
the book?
Yay!
I'm back.
Zero na. Si Angel.
Alpha, I hope you die next.
I hope you die next daw. Grabe.
Angel, nasaan ka? Hello? Hello? Angel?
Is there anything else? No. Okay, that means we need to go into the place where the
Wala na dito.
Sabi ko.
You can hide under the table.
Wait, how to hide under the table?
Wala, pwede?
Crouch?
Wala, ang galing. Ngayon ko lang na.
Yan, ulit na lang.
What the
Uy!
Oh my God.
Alva, remember the time we played Specimen Zero? You were
Oo.
always under the table.
Ngayon lang na nalaman.
Yan, ganun lang. Akala ko para lang maging cute to eh.
Wait!
Balik! Balik!
Tago lang tayo dito.
Ala, nandito lang siya. Ala. Oh my God.
And I'm under the...
Ay!
Oh my God. Ay. Oh no. Hello. Dito muna tayo. Dito. Andyan pa siya ata.
I'm going to make a run for it.
Kunin
Where's
niya
the
yung ulo.
exit?
Oo, di ko din
Baka.
alam yung exit.
Wait!
Oh my God.
Ano? Ay!
Let's hide back as under the table. I think you need to constantly press crouch.
Hindi, dapat hindi kanya abot. Like,
Nawala.
yung range ng kuko niya, kinakalma ka talaga.
No, because I stopped clicking C and it was able to reach me.
Ay,
I think you need to.
hindi, dito ka. Ay!
Why is this bitch still here? Don't you have other plans to do?
Asan si Sheena?
Exit. Where's the exit?
Yun lang. Ano yun? Oh my God, ano ba yan? No.
Ito pa pala.
What? We don't generate our health. You know what? I'm going to make a run for it.
Ay. Sabi ko.
Where's the exit? I don't know where the exit is.
Mark,
It's me and back.
gagi. Uy, Mark. Saan ka?
Baka, I know you're just a head right now, but I'm going to give you a tour of shit. I'm going to give you a tour of the place. So we're here in dining area, I think.
Saan ba yun?
Why am I getting damaged? And let's choose a path. I'm pretty sure the monster isn't here, so let's go here. Smart guess.
Na, hindi na makatayo. Ay, ba?
Incorrect. I'm lost.
Oh my!
Hello, we're back. We're back. No, we're not. No.
Ay, shit.
No.
It's amazing. Yun, to.
Wait, where's the direction? No.
There.
Nangangalakal ka pa rin? Nangangalakal ka pa rin? Mamamatay na tayo?
Oo, baliw. Vera is late. Tayo.
I mean, yeah, but you know,
It's not about the money.
wait, let me put.
Diyan siya.
Wait, shut up.
Ow. Go. Takbo ko, Mark.
Wait, I cannot put down his. Big
Ikaw naman,
head.
buhat ka.
I don't even know the location.
Dito.
Saan ba? Dito
Bilis,
ba? Saan
bilis,
ba?
bilis. Dito.
Wala, naiwan yung ulo.
Dalin mo.
Wait lang siya.
Dito.
Dito siya.
Dito ata yan. Diba yan?
Phew. Yay. Wait. I put the head down. Let's go.
Yay!
Oh, I'm alive.
Welcome back, bros.
Oh.
Yay!
Hello.
Did I do well saving your head?
Yes.
Saving.
This is not good. The worst. We're under budget.
Kulang in.
Wala nang
I don't know if
budget.
we're gonna hit quota.
5,000 pa.
Oh my god.
Nakakalito yung map. Pare-pare
Uy!
si Bichu.
Sa likod. Sa likod.
Oh.
Wala na tayong pera. Guys, puro na. Ay, yung bomba? Mamamatay din tayo eh.
Shall we try the bomb?
Bomb. Bomb. Oh. Mark, nagbomba pa eh.
Oh, come on, man.
Lah,
Ay,
namatay?
I killed it. Wait,
What?
I killed it.
Matay? Bro.
No.
Galing! Bro.
Oh my god.
Rest in peace,
Galing.
the head of Bat.
Patay na.
Yay! Tara. Ay, di pa pala patay. Di pa tayo
Wala. Nahulog ko. Oh my god.
Yes.
Hindi ganun pala.
E di ano yun na lang yan. Baka ma-revive din pag ano.
That's we need. Wait. The monster came back.
No. Why?
He left back his head.
Stuck yung ano. Stuck yung monster.
Ah.
No, we don't have enough yet.
Santi na lang. Angel.
Run.
Do you have
Run.
something? Humpty
Hello?
Dumpty.
Wala. Ano yun? Bakit ako nasaktan? Ay, aray ko. Ano yun? Bakit ako nasaktan?
Oh my
Wala,
god.
ano yun? Ano yun? Ay!
Yung Sheena, dito Sheena, dyan. Tara,
Diyan ba?
bilis, dito, dyan. Bilis na mo, Sheena. Diretso lang, Sheena, diretso lang. Let's go. Go to the van for departure. Let's bring the head souvenir. Let's go.
Souvenir. Si Angel. Magde-depart ba? Maka-depart ba?
Bye.
Baliw.
Iniwan sa Angel.
Uy! Si Angel. Pwede ba mag-depart? Go, Angel! Ano yun?
Kaya nga, nagda-damage ka rin?
Ayan. Okay pala eh, babalik pala eh.
Okay lang pala eh.
Survive that.
Paano si ano?
Paano na-survive yun? Buhay pa ata siya.
No, bakit?
Hindi eh. Buhay ba
I
siya?
was hiding
Oh,
under a
buhay.
table, and then the freaking the thing came and killed me while I was under the table. It was-
Abot pa rin.
Oh,
game is
I was like
rigged.
that. I was like that, and then the stabby
Dapat
lady came
dodge
and then
ka.
she killed me.
Dodge.
Did you guys
Oh.
see the MVP move that I did?
Ano yun?
Alin?
I killed the doll.
Ah, yes.
Hindi mo naman nakita eh. Nakita mo.
Doll ba siya? Hindi na. Di ba yung doll maganda?
Napatay ah.
Tsaka doll siya.
Napatay ba?
Tsaka doll.
We're rich now.
Bakit natin kailangan ng insurance?
Ba't natin insurance?
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, reviving. Ay, oo. Reviving a player. Mas mura daw.
Ah, wait. Where's the insurance?
I think it's number 1.
Ayan.
Oh, 50%?
50% less.
Okay, check it.
Hindi. Wow.
Was affected.
Anong color ko? Lahat kayo pula.
Magbabamba ba?
You're purple.
Pink.
Anong?
Purple.
Yay!
That's pink.
No. Wala pa akong nakitang pink dito.
Okay, sige, whatever you say.
Ganito ulit ako. Dito ulit ako.
Mag-radar ba?
Go! Okay.
Iwan mo siya?
Angel, diyan ka lang.
Iwan na.
Bye, Angel. Look at her expressionless face.
Yeah.
Womp womp.
No thoughts behind those eyes.
Boy,
Wala, puro tayo puti.
anong color ka?
Puti
You're
ba ako?
white. You're
Ikaw yung...
purple.
Ay, bakit
Hindi ako
Baka
puti.
is also white. What's my color?
Wait.
white ka din?
Oh.
No, akin yung purple Ayan.
Oh, chicken
Wala
fear.
tayong binili na ano.
Ako kung ano to.
Gago sa
Bakit?
akin.
Ano ba yan?
Ang puputi
I'm
nyo.
hoping for immortality.
San? Ito.
Kuya maingay.
Woo! Asan yung ano cart?
Dito.
Where's the cart?
There. Gagi, may kalaban? Narinig ako.
Wait, where's
Like,
the
may
card?
kalaban na. Dito.
Ano ba yun yung camera?
Oh, okay.
Ba't wala? Hindi ko na nakikita yung box na malaki. 8,000 yun. Diba?
May kalaban dyan.
My favorite item
Oo.
to pick.
May naggala ka dyan kanina.
Ooh, 9,500.
Oo.
So yan, ako na yan.
18,000. Pwede na yan. Let's go. Takbo.
One more down, one more
Ay, dito
down.
ba? No!
May kalaban dyan eh.
May kalaban na dyan.
Let's make it 20.
Yung
Pag may nam-
nagbabaril.
Pag may...
Ayun, 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 ayun.
Oh, oh.
Hindi ako makapasok.
Oh my God.
Ayun.
I literally dropped the item.
Uy!
Wait, where's that? Let's go. Shoot.
Ano yun?
Crap. He's trying to shoot me with a gun.
Ayun nga, may baril nga yun. Oh, 2K na lang yung ano,
Let's go.
yung revive. 2K na lang yung
So
revive.
that guy is blind, so he won't be able to see you. If you make noise, then he can see where you are.
Bakit ako nasasaktan? Naglalakad lang ako.
No,
You have to crouch. He can hear you walk.
Sabi tayo nag-crouch, Mark. Nice.
Okay, shopping. Let's go shopping.
Illumination.
Illumination.
The fun spawning into the floor game.
Oh, that's not worth it. It only lasts for 10 seconds.
Does it stop the insurance?
No?
Wala namang namatay kanina, pero
Does it
mas
stop or
magiging mura.
it's just for one game?
Alin?
Ang isang laro lang ba ito insurance? Or action?
Yun nga din lang. Yun din yung...
What if we go? Should we go for a landmine? We have lots of resources.
Illumination.
Tamang
May illumination na. Mark.
ballerina na siya. Uy, paano yan? Paano yan? Ang bilis niyang umikot.
Wait, I can do it too?
Because of the motion sickness.
We're not even spinning fast anymore.
Ay? Mabagal?
Just slide your mouse.
Pan?
Not fast.
Walang Wii.
Tara. Ay, wala
Ay.
tayong binili?
Wala, bumili ako landmine. Isa.
We still
Bili
have
nga
Ayun na yung
illumination.
anyways.
Ay,
We
wait.
didn't use any items last round anyways.
Kala ko
Bili kayo
magdi-discon.
illumination.
Nagulat ako sa iyo, Gina.
Bili kayo illumination.
Biglang nasa mga ako. Uy, ito na yung pinakamatagal.
The furthest.
Level 4.
Oh.
Ay, ang galing.
I'm going to scout the surrounding areas.
Isang malaki.
Oh, man.
Guys, we have a diamond here. Diamond.
May diamond dito.
You know what?
Diamond.
I don't wanna break it.
Yay!
You go hold it.
Wala. Nakaka-pressure ko. Okay, nandyan na ba?
Yep, it's behind you.
Magkano kaya ito? Oh my god, 7,000. Oh my god.
Careful. Ay!
Ay, nako.
Ay, may duck! Guys, may duck! May duck! May duck!
Docking,
May duck!
docking, docking.
May duck!
Guys,
May
run.
duck.
Run!
Sila yung inaabot. Oh my god.
Wala! May nababaril! Oh my god! Uy, san?
Wait, Sheena, saan yung exit?
Di ko alam. Gagi, di ko alam. Gagi, di nasan tayo. Nawawala ako.
Saan sila, Sheena? Sheena, saan sila? Hindi ko mamaril dyan.
Di ko na alam, Mark, na nasan tayo.
May map tayo dito ah. Try mo yung T. Saan ba to?
A map? Mark, saan? Where are we?
Feel ko lumalim lang tayo. Wala dito.
Dito ata. Oh. Ay,
May parating. Balik. Oh, shoot.
oh my God.
Sheena, alam mo ba kung saan mo yung dadalhin ang layo natin?
Hindi ko alam.
Buhat mo yan. Yung sa gala.
Baka dyan.
Wala. Wala.
Ay. Uy, nasa na tayo.
Sus, enjoy naman si Angel. Never mind.
Oo nga. Ay, ano yun sila? Look! Yung duck. Yun yung duck, ah. Kaya nagtago agad eh.
Bakit?
Dito, Mark, nandito sila. Ano si Angel? Nawawala. Hello. Hi, dear.
Nasaan dito?
Dito, Mark, oh. Dito ka na. Dito ka na, Mark. Nandito na sila. Nababas ka na. Ano ka ba? Wala. Paano yung exit dito?
Oh,
Oh, it's okay. Basta just don't click on it and then you'll be fine.
Ah,
okay. It won't harm us.
Ilan?
ay, guys, nandiyan na yung lolo.
I think we have enough. 22,000.
Nandiyan na yung lolo.
Wait.
Ow.
Do you guys know where the
Panay
exit is?
Yeah.
I think we need to go back. I'll hold her head. Binaril si Sheena sa ulo. Nice, we're back.
Yeah.
I see.
Buti may insurance kasi 2,000 lang.
We're done na, so.
Let's go, Sheena. Let's put in here.
Eh, kasama yung duck.
Oh no!
Oh my God! What the? Quack.
You know what? Never mind.
Wow, special item.
Block spots. No?
Yay! Wow! Yaman na
Uy,
natin.
di na pala kailangan yun, i-revive.
Yeah.
I mean,
Bilhin tayo yung barrel. Ayan ba ito?
Wala ba dyan yung parang no monster?
Ooh, danger inside.
upon
Extracting
extracting
an
an item,
item.
you see the outfits of operas.
That's
Oh,
pretty
you can see where the monsters are when you grab.
2 seconds lang siya.
good. 2
Better than
seconds is
what?
enough.
Better than nothing.
Okay. Lang,
So shall we buy it?
naka-levitate yung hammer. Uy, ba't dyan?
Dapat.
Wala yun. Hindi mo pwedeng tamaan yung 2-player.
Paano yan?
You cannot bonk us.
Yes. Immune.
Bili mo na yan. Bili mo ba yan?
Will we buy it?
Ang kulit.
Are you going to buy this?
Oo. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Mamali ko sa'yo ba yun?
Hindi naman ako yung kukuha niyan.
Ow! Nangyari?
Ano yung pinakamataas na level? Oh, dami dun. Oh.
I'm selling myself.
Barbecue.
Pwede akong sumakay.
That's my bride. That's her
Try mo nga,
price.
Mark. Try mo nga, Mark.
You were not.
Ay! Hindi ako kasama.
The whole time, nawawala lang kami ni Mark.
True.
Saan?
Grabe.
May tao, may tao, may tao.
Wait.
Oh! Oh my God.
Uy! Ba't dyan?
Wait, if you step on it, if somebody steps on it, it will explode.
I mean, that's how a land.
Ay!
Nice.
Batay.
If someone steps on the land, will it explode down? Tapos patay na siya.
Oh my God. Batay. Ano ba yun, Mark? Oh,
Revive nga
I'm
nun
gonna
si
take
Mark.
this out. I'm gonna take
kawawa
this.
naman.
this here. Ay, shit.
Hindi sino yung naka-apa. Dito ka
Ikaw
na.
yun, Mark. Wag mo na, Angel. Ah.
Love trip yung kay Mark.
Bigyan sumabog.
Okay, lesson learned. Don't step on
Kaya mo eh. Nakuha mo yung sino sa video?
Ha?
Ay, ito. Nakuha mo yun sa video, yung pagkamatay ni Mark?
Oo.
Oh.
Andyan siya? I heard. Ready. Ayun na siya. Hello?
Oh. Oh my God.
Ano ba ito? Switch. Spares. Oh, spares, please. Yung ulo. Yay! Yes!
Thank you.
Ang hirap na. Kalahati agad buhay ko.
Sino yung nakapatay sa atin? Yung ano yung bulag mo.
Yung babarel.
Ano ba yun?
Ayun na naman, Angel. Ayun na naman. Hindi tayo safe. Saan?
Ha? Ano yun?
Nasa lakad na naman. Ayun na naman. Dito na naman nato tayo mamamatay. Guys. Dead. Paano ba to? I don't know. Guys. My gosh. Gosh. Ow. Ala, gagi. Nabuhay. No. The heck? Buhay pa.
Ang dami na nating pera. Grabe. 50,000.
Hanggang dito na lang ako, guys. Continue the adventure. That's fun.
Ano yung friendship? Always highlight.
Out na
Nagsasalita
ako.
ba kayo? Kayo pala. Okay.
No, I'm not.
Akala ko nabingin na naman
Out
ako.
na ako. Kaya na, mag-continue.
Ay! Out ka na. Baboy! Baboy! Baboy!
Go, guys.